Divas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be demonstrating for you how to do a mohawk. Okay, so I have been wearing a ponytail since we have been in quarantine. I haven't been wearing it the entire time. I have been switching up with my wigs, but if you've been looking for any new wig videos from me, you know I have not really uploaded anything because I can't go to any stores. So I've been pretty much stuck at home, going to the grocery store. You know the routine. You've seen the news. So I have nothing new to share as far as wigs are concerned, but I do want to come and do a hair video. So I am going to do something, like I said before, I'm going to do mohawk, and I'm going to use ponytails to do that mohawk. And it gives it more of a design and everything. So I hope you like it. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do not forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, so please make sure that you hit the bell for the notifications. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. I have my hair in a ponytail right now. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I have a band to hold my, of course, to hold my ponytail up. Well, how else would you have a ponytail? I'm going to go ahead and comb my hair back. Okay, now I have fairly fine hair. I do have a relaxer in my hair, and that makes it even thinner for me. So I am going to be using these tiny little rubber bands. I'm going to make about 5 ponytails. Okay, now if you have really thick hair, then of course you might want to use something like this. I will be tying for a good moment, so I'm not going to be using this, but maybe one time. Also, I'm going to use a clip so that I can hold the ponytails in place while I create the other ponytails. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. And where did I put my comb? Here it is. Okay. Now, I don't have a mirror in the front of me, so I'm going to have to use the monitor a little bit. And please forgive me if I'm not able to make these parts really neat because I'm having to fill it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, as I said before, you're going to create 5, I think I'm going to section my hair so that I have a total of 5 ponytails. All right, so I'm going to start with the very first ponytail. I'm going to use a rat tail comb to try and make sure that I get a nice even. This feels too far back. Okay, I don't want it to be super thick. I don't want the first one to be super thick. Okay, so I'll be turning every so often just to kind of let you see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to start with the very first ponytail. I may be switching from one comb to the other because I tend to like the wider tooth combs. Okay, so I'm going to take the first rubber band and put it around my ponytail. Why do I feel like I'm having to tie that more than I thought I would need to? Now with this one, if you don't want that rubber band to show, you can always take just a little bit of hair out. I'll just take a little bit out and wrap it around. Although I'm kind of feeling like the rubber band is black, so you really wouldn't be able to tell. I'm going to take a bobby pin and stick it in there to hold it. Okay. To hold that in place. And I also want to, actually no, I'm not going to put it that way. I just want to hold the hair in place. So I'm just going to stick it going the other way because otherwise it'll be in the way. Okay, and then I'm going to take just a little bit of my hair out because I do want to create sort of a little bump in the top. Okay, let me see if okay, that's kind of okay. All right, so now I'm going to create the next ponytail. This is where I'm going to use my pen to hold this down in place so that I can create the next ponytail. Start over here. Okay. Now, this is where I'll start to kind of turn so that you can see what I'm doing. All right. Now, I don't know why I feel like this is kind of thick. Hopefully it isn't. I want to make it super thick. I would like to come out with maybe five ponytails total in my hair. It's kind of difficult, as I said before, to do this when you can't see the parts. But everything's going to be overlapping. So, all right, so I got the next ponytail. I'm going to use a larger comb this time to comb through and try to make it as neat as I possibly can. Okay, so I got the next one. I'm going to take another rubber band and create the next ponytail. Okay. All right. Now that I have this ponytail created, I'm going to take the first ponytail and I'm going to split it in half and put one piece on each side, and I'll bring this ponytail up so that it's out the way. The ponytails will be wrapped around. Okay. Now I'm going to create another section of hair for another ponytail. Not sure if I have this neat or not. Now, because my hair is thin and also because I may have taken one section and made it a little bit too big, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get 5 out of this. I may only be able to get 4. But I'm going to create a ponytail using the section that I've already created and the 2 pieces that I wrapped around. So now I have this ponytail here. I'm going to take this one that's been hanging out there waiting, and I'm going to do just the same thing. Yeah, this one feels pretty thick right now. I'm going to sit back just a little bit. So I've separated it. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to bring this one up. Okay, so I've got the 2 pieces. Now I'm going to create another ponytail. I believe this is my 4th one. Okay. I'm going to create another ponytail with the 2 pieces, and the piece that I've sectioned off. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to take this ponytail once again, split it open, wrap it around on this ponytail and pull this one up, and I'm pretty much at the end. I think this is where I'm going to stop. another rubber band to create a ponytail. Okay. Now this very last ponytail, I'm just going to bring it down and merge it with the ponytail that's already there. And I'll use a bigger elastic band this time. And you can leave this part there hanging, or for me, since I don't have a whole lot, I'm just going to loop it so that a portion of my hair is still in the ponytail. Okay. Hopefully you can see the design. All right. So now I know that there's some flyaways. Ooh, there's a big flyaway right there. Okay, so now let me see if I can try and control some of this. Okay. I'm going to take a smaller brush and just try to brush it in neatly so that I don't have too many flyaways. What's on the top. Right there. And I like to have a little volume at the top of my hair, just a little volume up here in the top. So I'm going to pull this just a little bit. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Okay. And I do like to have just a little bit of hair out on the side. You don't have to take too much because you don't want it to be too messy. Anything that might be flying away, then you can kind of tuck it under a little bit. Okay, so we're all done. So here's my mohawk. Okay, there's the side. So I'm going to do that rotation for you. And here's the other side. Okay, hopefully you can see the top. I'll bring my head down. Okay. Now, if you want, you could probably put, you know, little pins in that have some type of design or something like that to give it a little bit more pizzazz or something. So that is my mohawk. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please, once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed already, hit like and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.